difference between physical change and chemical change. This is temporary. This is permanent. Very good. No new substance is formed. This is reversible and this is irreversible. No need of catalyst. And here catalyst is needed. For example, what is the example of a physical change? Evaporation of water. Freezing of water. Freshly cut apple turns brown. Curding of milk. Alright. So, this is one question that they will be asking. Chemical reaction. In chemical reactions, there is something which call as reactants, which gets converted into products. Substances. What are reactants? Interact with one another, forming new substance with release of or absorption of heat. So, on the basis of this, we have got two types of reactions: endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction क्या है बेटा? The reaction in which reactants absorb heat to form the products. And the second one is exothermic reactions. The reaction in which heat is released when reactants react to form the product. Now, example of endothermic reaction. This is called ammonium chloride. Okay. This is called ammonium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid. Photosynthesis. This is ammonium नाइट्रेट बेटा, इसको पानी में डालेंगे, रिएक्शन विल बी एंडोथर्मिक. Okay, now I'm naming the compounds for you. This is ethanoic acid. Sodium carbonate. This is decomposition reaction, and this compound is calcium carbonate. of fossil fuels, जैसे मान लेते हैं इसकी है कोल, ठीक है, या हम वो यूज करते हैं ना बेटा सीएनजी गैस, कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस, वो कुछ नहीं होता, मीथेन होता है CH4। बेटा दिस G स्टैंड्स फॉर गैस, अगर S लिखा है तो सॉलिड है। ध्यान रहे बेटा, जब ऐसे डॉट H2O करके लिखते हैं ना, तो इसको बोला जाता है वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन। दिस इज रिटन एज वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन। Acid base neutralization, balancing of chemical equations, बेसिक मेथड की। नाउ व्हाट इज दिस बेसिक मेथड? बेसिक मेथड ये कहता है कि देखिए, जैसे मैंने लिखा क्या कि नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑन रिएक्टेंट साइड should always be equal to E plus O2 gives CO2। बताइए, now check and tell me, balanced or not balanced? Balanced है, okay। now Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2। बताइए, तो कैसे बैलेंस करें इसको? सबसे पहला स्टेप, ध्यान से देखिए सब लोग, सबसे पहला स्टेप, जिसके एटम सबसे ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं ना, सबसे पहले उस पर अटैक करो। यहां Fe3O4 दिख रहा है भैया, सबसे ज्यादा एटम यहीं पर दिख रहे हैं। तो आयरन के कितने एटम दिख रहे हैं? तो आपने बोला सर 3 दिख रहे हैं। तो एक काम करो, यहां पे लिख दो 3। यू कैन सी द 3 एटम्स ऑफ आयरन on the product side, 3 atoms of iron on the reactant side, balanced। हो गया, okay। now how many oxygens can you see over here? So we can see 4 oxygens, okay। so let us write 4 over here। so now how many oxygens are on the product side? 4. how many oxygens on the reactant side? 4, balanced, okay। now iron is balanced, oxygen is balanced, the last element is hydrogen. How many hydrogens do you see over here? 4 into 2 is 8. How many do you see over here? 1. So now you write 4 over here. Now tell me, is it balanced or not? Balanced? Chale. Now you see, this is zinc solid. It is normally available like, zinc is available like, you know, sugar granules, small छोटे छोटे particles होते हैं zinc के। तो this is zinc and we add sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. See, what does this S stands for? It stands for solid state. What is this AQ? AQ stands for what? AQ stands for solution in water. Okay. See प्यारे बच्चों, this is a chemical change. This gaseous state. Tell me whether this is balanced or not. This is an important reaction. You must have done in your school also. Reactive metals release hydrogen gas from acid solutions. ये ध्यान रखना बेटा इस बात को. Reactive metals release hydrogen gas from acid solution. That is what is happening over here. ठीक है, मैंने अभी बता दिया आपको. हाइड्रोजन के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा जा सकता बेटा. हाइड्रोजन कैन बिहेव एज मेटल एज वेल एज नॉन मेटल. बैलेंस करिए इसको बेटा. आंसर 2HCl will give you अच्छा. what is happening over here? ध्यान से देखिए. This MgCO3 is a basic salt. A basic salt is reacting with an acid, fine, to give a neutral salt. Salts can also be acidic, basic or neutral, to give water and carbon dioxide. Aluminium is more reactive than iron, and that's why aluminium has replaced iron from its oxide. ठीक है बेटा. So 2Al over here, so put 2. 2Fe over here, so put 2. 3 oxygens here, 3 oxygen here. Now see, it is balanced. Fe is not a gas, beta. This all is solid, beta, no gas. types of chemical reaction. The first one is combination reaction. Here, a reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a compound. देखते हैं कितने बच्चे कितने एग्जांपल्स दे सकते हैं. This is a basic oxide. When you add water to a basic oxide, it forms a base. ठीक है बेटा, इसमें ना common names are very important. They will be asking you common names, so you need to remember. This is lime. Okay. Now this CaH2 can be given two names. If it is a suspension, then it is termed as slaked lime. Okay. But if this is a true solution, it is termed as lime water. ठीक है, एक ही कंपाउंड है, दो नाम. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, इसको मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया भी बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ठीक है. N2O5, this is acidic oxide. If you add water to this, you get this acid, which is nitric acid. So now you see there is one simple categorization that you can easily observe over here. Calcium, magnesium, sodium. Metals. So what is the takeaway from here? the oxides of metal are basic in nature. Okay, N2O5, SO3 plus H2O gives H2SO4. What is nitrogen and sulfur? They are non-metals. The oxide of non-metals are acidic in nature. Decomposition reaction. The decomposition, in very simple words, breaking of a compound into two or more smaller components on application of heat, radiation, acid. This is heat. और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की जगह Cl2 लिख दिया मैंने. AgCl सॉलिड, बेटा ये वाइट कलर का होता है. यहां पे हम सनलाइट, रेडिएशन सनलाइट, अगर देंगे तो you'll get Ag solid this is gray in color. देखो बेटा, this part is termed as amino, this part is termed as acid. That is why they are termed as amino acids. अब क्या होता है देखो, like this. Now what happens is that this H2O moves out, resulting into the formation of this particular compound. ऐसे, ठीक है, फाइन. दिस बॉन्ड विच इज फॉर्म्ड ओवर हेयर इज टर्म्ड एज पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ व्हेन यू ऐड HCl ओवर हेयर, मान लीजिए आपने यहां पे HCl डाल दिया, ठीक है. सो दिस विल ब्रेकअप टू गिव यू like this.